Hello, Math Masters. Today's game that I'm going to teach you is called Line Them Up. The goal of this game is to put the numbers from 1 to 10 in the correct order. Two players are going to make the number line together. So first, you'll only need one deck of cards. You take out all of the face cards except for aces. They're going to count as one. Make sure you shuffle the cards, and then you pass out all the cards in the deck to all of the players so that each player has an equal number of cards. The players can sit side by side so that the number line that they make together faces both of them the same way. Now I'm going to teach you how to play Line Them Up. Okay, so for Line Them Up, each player takes a turn, and here you can see that we have one player's deck and then another player's deck. So the players take turns, and on each turn they take a card from the top of their own deck and put it where it would belong on a number line that goes from 1 to 10. So this player picked a 2. So we're going to put the number line right in front of both players going across here. So the 2 would go about here. Then the next player goes and they turn over a 9. So of course if we have a number line, the 9 would probably be all the way down here. And basically they're placing the cards where it would be on a number line that goes from 1 to 10, and the order goes in order with the lowest number 1, which would go here, to the highest number 10, which would go here. So each player in turn places their card in the correct spot on the same number line. So now this player goes again, and they turned over an ace, which counts as a 1, so that would go in front of the 2. Then this player would go, and they draw a 7, which would go somewhere around here in the number line. If they draw a card that's already in the lineup, they place it on top of that card that is already in the correct spot. So now this person draws, and they picked a 10, which would go here. And now this person goes, and they picked a 9, which is already out here. So then they put their 9 on top of the 9. The game is over when the number line from 1 to 10 is completed with all of the numbers filled in the right spots, and the person who puts down the last card to finish the number line wins. That is Line Them Up. So that, my math friends, was Line Them Up. If you would like to help out your child while playing this game, if they're having trouble with it, if they're very young, you can count from 1 to 10 with them when your child is stuck, and that will help them to remember the order of the numbers. Another way to make this game a little bit easier for younger children is to make a shorter number line using only numbers 1 to 5 instead of 1 to 10, as I showed you. And you can just remove the higher numbers from the deck. So that, my friends, was Line Them Up. Join me next week for another Math Masters card game. Bye.